India has committed to be a net zero nation in 2070. That is a huge challenge. India today emits around 3 gigatons of carbon equivalent every year. If India continues to grow the current way, we would reach 11 gigatons of carbon equivalent per year by 2070 instead of zero. To achieve zero, we need to work on the key sectors that contribute to these emissions: power, manufacturing, agriculture, transport, and buildings. The focus of MET should be to reduce carbon in these sectors. We also need to work on cross-cutting themes like nature-based solutions, carbon capture and storage, green hydrogen. All this is the focus of the NAMTECH Innovation School, the School of Sustainability. The school endeavors to create a new generation of professionals who are not only adept in Industry 4.0, 5.0, but also driven by deep understanding of sustainable practices and responsible technological advancement. Equip our future leaders with the tools, mindsets, and competencies to drive meaningful interdisciplinary progress towards a greener world, starting now. These next generation of sustainability-focused leaders, empowered with digital tools and AI skills, will bring about the transformation in smart manufacturing and infrastructure development needed to drive the country's transition to a greener economy. At NAMTECH, we are creating the makers for a sustainable tomorrow.